my name is Kayla, and today we're gonna watch Noir's Airplane Mode music video. I am so excited for this comeback because they debuted it, and I was waiting for them to come back, and I'm so excited. Okay, the teasers look really, really good. I did not see their teaser videos, but I saw their teaser photos and look superb. I still kind of like iffy on the name, so if I like mess up someone's name, please. I'm sorry. The struggles of a multi-fandom. Anyways, I'm excited. Okay, let's just get this music video started. My bias is Sihyun. He's like the only one I know, kind of. Let's just see how this goes. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yo. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, elbows. Oh, I like the dance. Yeah, elbows. So many elbows. Okay, now we're flying. Duh, because it's airplane mode. Oh, Sunghoon. Oh, he's gonna about to beat me up. Okay, Minhyuk doesn't. What happened? He is not a baby anymore. Oh, no, I'm done. Oh, Sihyun. Ooh, vocals. Was that it, day one? Ah! My baby get in the middle, yes! Ooh. Yunsung? Is that his name? Yunsung? Okay. I'm still trying to learn that. Ooh! The down. Ooh, oh my god. Ooh, flip the bat. Flip the bat. Okay, Yunsung looks so good. What the? Ooh! Jungkook! Yo! Oh, I love this move. Hey! Oh my god. Hoyeon, why does he look like that? Like, Ooh! Oh! Oh my god, I'm choking on air. Get it! Oh my god. Oh my god. What the? Ooh, okay, see here. I'm the eagle. Oh, my baby! He has red lights! I'm crying! Oh, okay. Oh, no. Oh my god, this dance looks so good. Dude, this is such a good comeback. What the Oh my god, the eyebrow. Oh, he doing the oh my god, I can't. Oh, I look to you too. Ooh. I don't even know what to do. Like, I can't, like, there's so many things happening. Ooh. Junyoung. I just saw him for oh, there he is. Okay, I was like, where did he go? Oh, who did that vocal? Who did that, like, thing? I can't sing. Ooh. Oh my god, freaking Hoyeon. He's like a Kino for me. Like, oh my god, like, jeez. Ooh. Kind of sad that I didn't see a lot of Daewon. Daewon. I'm like, okay, there's too many Daewons in my life. Okay, but Daewon. I did not see a lot of Daewon. Where's his lines? Someone tell me where his lines at. Okay, but anyways, and Junyoung. Like, where are their lines? I want to know. Amazing choreography, amazing song. I am like so shook. This move, my chair is squeaking. Like, I'm shook. Even the chair is shook. Okay, but anyways, please support Noir. And who is your bias in Noir? And yeah, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a like. And if you guys want to know when I make my next video, click the subscribe button down below. So I guess that's it. Bye-bye.
널 만나러 가기 전 설렘이 가득해 넌 모를 거며 밤마다 또 전화 걸어 널 향한 내 맘은 계속 커져 baby 에이 나도 모르게 이상한 듯 끌리대 스쳐가는 인연 속에 너를 만나 못 태어나 오늘